We're all using AI these days, right? But are you really getting the most out of it? Today, we're going to dive into how to level up your game, how to turn AI from a simple tool you just give commands to into a strategic partner that helps you make faster, smarter decisions every single day. But hey, let's be real for a second. Have you ever asked an AI for help and the result was, well, kind of generic, a little vague, or just not that helpful? If you're nodding right now, you are definitely in the right place. We're about to blow past those basic answers and unlock what these tools can really do. Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is shift our mindset. What happens when we stop treating AI like a search engine and start treating it like a real collaborator? It's not just about getting answers anymore. It's about totally upgrading the way you work. I mean, just imagine this for a second. You could use AI to brainstorm, dozens of ideas, and then, in the same breath, have it evaluate them for you, literally cutting your decision-making time in half. Or you could feed it a project plan and have it spot the hidden risks before they blow up your budget. You could even build a knowledge hub from your team's own documents so everyone gets instant, accurate answers. This isn't science fiction. This is the new baseline. So, the big question is, how do we get there? How do we go from those kind of lame prompts to these amazing results? Well, it all starts with the playbook. With AI, the golden rule is so simple. Better inputs create dramatically better outputs. So let's get into the fundamentals. Believe it or not, the foundation for all great AI collaboration really boils down to three simple things, the 3 C's. First, be concise. Don't try to cram everything into one giant prompt. Next, be clear. Tell the AI exactly what you need. No guessing games. And finally, be consistent. If you call a document a report in prompt 1, don't call it a summary in prompt 3. It's simple stuff, but it is incredibly powerful. And this slide right here, this says it all. Asking, make this better, is a total gamble. The AI has no idea what better means to you. But when you say, critique this text from the perspective of a potential customer, you're giving it a job, a persona, a purpose. The difference in what you get back isn't just a little better, it is night and day. Okay, so once you've got the 3 C's down, and it starts to feel like second nature, that's when you can start layering on the really powerful stuff, the advanced techniques to tackle truly complex work. Let's look at how to really level up. Think of these next few things as, power-ups for your prompts. There's specific phrases you can just drop into your request that don't just tell the AI what to do, but actually change how it thinks. It forces a much deeper level of reasoning. Let me show you what I mean. For example, just adding the phrase, think step by step, is a total game changer. It forces the AI to slow down and actually show you its logic, one step at a time. This keeps it from jumping to a weird conclusion and makes the whole process way more transparent and a whole lot more accurate. Or here's another one I absolutely love, asking the AI to play devil's advocate. This is an amazing way to stress test your own ideas. It forces the model to stop just agreeing with you and to actively look for the flaws in your logic, helping you build a much stronger case. But what about those really huge tasks, right? The ones that are way too big for even one super-powered prompt. Well, that's where a technique called prompt chaining comes in. The best way to think of it is like a factory assembly line. The finished product from one station becomes the starting material for the next. This Paris vacation example just nails it. Instead of one giant, messy prompt like plan my whole trip, you break it down. First, you get the list of places. Then, you use that list to build the itinerary. And finally, you use the itinerary to get restaurant ideas. You see how each step builds on the last? You can use this exact same process to build a huge market analysis or a multi-part marketing campaign. You get a way better result, piece by piece. Now, this is all incredibly cool and powerful, but with great power, you know the rest. We have to talk about responsibility. An AI is an amazing collaborator, but it's not an oracle. It doesn't have your judgment or your ethics, so we need to build some guardrails into our process, and that's absolutely non-negotiable. And to make this super easy to remember, there's a simple 3-step mental model you can use every single time. It's called the ACT checklist. It's all about making sure you're using AI effectively, but also safely and responsibly. First step A is for ask yourself. This is just that gut check you do before you even start writing a prompt. Is AI even the right tool for this job? Is the data I'm about to paste in here sensitive or private? Am I following my company's rules? Answering these first saves you from huge headaches later. Next, C stands for check the output. Never ever just copy and paste. You have to verify. Check for factual errors, look for hidden biases. A bad fact can kill your credibility, and an unchecked bias can lead to really poor decisions. Remember, the AI gives you a first draft, not the final product. You are still the expert here. And finally, T is for tell people. Just be transparent. If you used AI to help you draft a report or build a presentation, disclose it. This isn't about you getting less credit for your work. It's about building trust and maintaining your professional integrity. It's just the right thing to do. So there you have it. The crucial thing is to make this a reflex. Ask, check, and tell. It's a simple little framework that makes sure you're getting all the power of AI, but doing it in a way that's safe, smart, and responsible. Okay, let's bring it all home. When you put all these pieces together, the powerful prompting techniques and that responsible framework, you can fundamentally change your entire relationship with AI. By really mastering these fundamentals, using those advanced techniques like prompt chaining, and always applying the ACT checklist, you elevate AI from just a simple task completer to a genuine strategic collaborator, one that helps you think better and work a whole lot smarter. In the end, the technology is only half the story. It can be a simple tool you command, or it can be a true partner you build things with. The choice and the opportunity is all yours.